Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming what the LED requires and by organizing tools. This saves backtracking. First, check the LED label for 12V or other voltage and note the EMA rating. Once done, lay out a multimeter, wire strippers, and either solder or crimp connectors. Make sure to have heat shrink for insulation. You must turn off power and find the LED's positive and negative leads. This prevents shorts and ensures correct polarity when you make the first electrical connection. You now connect the LED to its driver or power source, paying attention to how constant current versus constant voltage drivers behave. First, match the driver output. Voltage must meet LED spec and current must be within rating. Strip 5 to 7 mm of insulation, twist stranded wires, then solder or use a crimp connector. Each joint should be mechanically secure before you insulate with heat shrink. Once the physical connections are made, use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct polarity. You finish by powering up carefully. Use an adjustable supply or dimmer and ramp voltage or current slowly so you can watch for problems. Once powered, observe the LED for steady light and listen for unusual heat or smell. Make sure connectors remain cool. If the LED flickers or doesn't light, immediately turn power off and check polarity, solder joints, and the driver's output stability. If the issue persists, swap in a known good driver or test the LED on a verified supply to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.